Hey everybody. Alright, let's take a look at my sales for Amazon KDP for the month of January. So last month we had a pretty amazing month, I would say. We had a huge amount of growth. And this month it's the same. It's another what I consider a blowout month. So let's take a look at it. So January 1st to January 31st, I here's all the books that I sold. So that's a total of 31 books, and that's a lot more than last month. So let's take a quick look. 1536 from the US, $5.40 from UK. That's pretty amazing. Like the fact that I'm selling in other countries, I find that extremely rewarding, and I think it's awesome. So this month we earned roughly the same as last month. So let's just take a look at last month. So I sold a total of 21 books in December, which if you take a look at September I sold 4, October I sold 6, November 10, and then boom we shot out to 21. This month is pretty amazing. So we sold a lot more books. We didn't earn as much profit. So, well, we earn more profit, but you would think by selling more books, it'd be more money. No, I sold actually more notebooks, and the notebooks I only earn like 10 to 15 cents on, so that's why. But it's pretty awesome that I'm seeing those sales, and they're completely random. So I earned a total of $22.54 this month. Last month, I earned $21.16. So we sold let's see, 10 more books and earn just a little bit more in profit. But I'm happy with that because that just means eventually other books are going to keep selling. Majority of these books are coupon books. They're actually naughty coupon books, which is hilarious, I think, that like UK and all them are purchasing, but that seems to be the bread and butter right now, dirty coupon books, and it's probably due this month due to Valentine's Day. So February 1st, I'm expecting probably a drop off, but overall, this is what I've been making. I'm going to try, the goal is to consistently get 20 bucks a month. So the fact that we're this far and this I consider a short period of time, it's pretty amazing. And overall, it's just going to keep selling. I'm just going to keep earning passive income. Like I always said in my videos before, I created this 100% free with Canva and spent my time, designing them and just uploaded them to Amazon KDP. And boom, now they're earning money. And it's as simple as that. So you can do it, anyone can do it as long as you have a computer and internet and a bank account. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll continue to make more videos. Thanks.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.